Title: Crypto at the Crossroads, Politics, Policy, and the Future of Digital Finance. Hello and welcome to today's episode of Crypto Radar. I'm Dimitri, and in this session, we'll be diving deep into the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency policy in the United States. From high-level discussions in the White House about Bitcoin reserve policies to groundbreaking legislative efforts and even crackdowns on illegal mining operations, we're going to explore it all. So, grab your headphones, settle in, and let's navigate these exciting developments together. Segment 1: The White House Crypto Summit and a Potential Executive Order. Recent reports have set the stage for what could be a pivotal moment in crypto history. Former President Trump's administration is reportedly gearing up to host a crypto summit at the White House. According to sources, this event is not just a casual meeting, it may pave the way for a significant policy shift. One of the hot topics on the agenda is a proposed executive order that would potentially redefine the reserve policy for Bitcoin. Imagine the implications. If an executive order were signed, it could establish new guidelines for how digital assets, particularly Bitcoin, are held in reserve by banks and financial institutions. The idea is to bolster investor confidence and integrate digital assets more seamlessly into the broader financial system. This move, if it materializes, would signal that policymakers are not only aware of the growing influence of cryptocurrencies but are also willing to adapt traditional frameworks to better suit a digital future. Segment 2: Embracing Digital Finance in Politics. Congressman Mike Collins' bold move. Moving on from the halls of the White House, let's shift our focus to Capitol Hill. In a striking example of political innovation, Congressman Mike Collins has broken new ground by accepting cryptocurrency donations for his campaign. This isn't just a novelty, it's a strategic adaptation. By incorporating crypto into his fundraising efforts, Collins is reaching out to a tech-savvy demographic and acknowledging the evolving nature of political finance. In today's fast-paced digital world, where traditional campaign funding methods are increasingly supplemented by alternative assets, this move highlights a broader trend. Politicians are realizing that embracing digital currencies can democratize fundraising, opening up new avenues for support from a diverse and engaged community. Of course, with this innovation comes the challenge of navigating regulatory requirements and ensuring transparency. But overall, it represents a significant step forward in merging the realms of technology and politics. Segment 3: GOP's push against the banking in the crypto sector. As our discussion deepens, it's important to look at the legislative side of things. A new bill, introduced by GOP lawmakers, aims to put an end to the practice of debanking crypto companies and other businesses considered to be operating in risky industries. For those who aren't familiar with the term, debanking refers to the refusal of traditional banks to offer services to businesses that operate in certain high-risk sectors, including cryptocurrency. This proposed legislation is designed to protect these companies from being cut off from essential financial services. Supporters argue that such measures will foster innovation by ensuring that crypto businesses have access to the banking infrastructure they need to grow. They believe that modern financial technologies and improved risk assessment methods can mitigate potential concerns. Critics, however, caution that easing banking restrictions too much might open the door to financial instability or fraud. Regardless of the debate, the introduction of this bill underscores a key point: as digital finance continues to evolve, so too must our regulatory frameworks, to strike a balance between innovation and risk management. Segment 4: Cracking down on illegal crypto mining. Shifting gears, let's talk about another important facet of crypto regulation: the battle against illegal mining operations. U.S. Customs recently released a detailed report on the seizure of unauthorized crypto mining equipment. This report not only highlights the scale of the issue but also details the sophisticated methods being used by authorities to identify and confiscate illicit mining hardware. Illegal mining can undermine the legitimacy of the entire crypto ecosystem by contributing to environmental concerns, tax evasion, and even cybercrime. The report demonstrates that government agencies are investing in technology and procedures to clamp down on these operations, ensuring that the digital asset market remains as transparent and secure as possible. This crackdown is part of a broader initiative to maintain the integrity of the financial system while still allowing innovation to thrive under proper oversight. Segment 5: Connecting the dots. What does this mean for the future? When we take a step back and look at the bigger picture, these developments signal a significant moment in the evolution of digital finance in America. On one hand, high-profile initiatives, whether it's a potential executive order on Bitcoin reserve policies or the acceptance of crypto donations, indicate that the government and political leaders are beginning to embrace the digital revolution. On the other hand, legislative proposals to prevent debanking and the active enforcement against illegal mining highlight the ongoing need for strong regulatory frameworks. In essence, we are witnessing a balancing act. Regulators are trying to foster an environment that encourages innovation while simultaneously ensuring the safety and stability of the financial system. As digital currencies continue to gain mainstream acceptance, these policy shifts and legislative actions will likely have long-lasting impacts on everything from consumer trust to global financial markets. As we wrap up today's discussion, one thing is clear: the intersection of cryptocurrency and government policy is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Whether it's through landmark policy proposals, groundbreaking legislative efforts, or active regulatory crackdowns, each step forward reflects the dynamic nature of this industry. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the latest crypto and policy news. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe, leave us a review, and share your thoughts on how these changes might shape the future of digital finance. Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and keep exploring the digital frontier.